I'm turning the handwheel by hand. You see on the left upper corner the two needles. The right one sits slightly lower, which is normal. The right one is catching the thread from the upper hook. And you see the thread from the lower hook passing from the upper hook, and it's forming a loop right now. You notice the thread from the lower hook is passing above the upper hook. The stitches are not very tight because there is no fabric to pull on them. Notice how the lower hook is getting